Hi guys! Hello! Oh my god, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. First of all, happy birthday on YouTube too, because we are officially 1 year old on YouTube. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's been such a journey. I know I haven't been the most applied YouTuber ever. I'm working on it, but thank you so much for each and one of you who has been with me since the beginning through my crappy editing and my non-consistent upload. And also thank you to all of you who have joined the family throughout the year. I really appreciate it. Also, I just found out that I won the 3rd place for the Blada MUA lip art contest. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's do this. I already did my brows off camera. I mean, brows are not that important. I mean, they are, but I'm actually running late because I'm having lunch for my birthday. So I'm thinking that I don't want to really do a lot of like full glam, cut craze, and all that good stuff. I want to keep it more on the simple side, more glowy than anything, but very simple. Always get your neck. It's very important because you don't want to look you don't want to look like you're wearing a mask. No, honey boo boo, that is not cute. It's not a cute look, so always go down your neck. For concealer, I'm going to be using my ColourPop concealer in the shade Medium 30. I feel like I'm looking a little bit pale, but that's okay. You should not worry. I'm gonna use this palette. Sorry, I have something in my eye. I really like that palette. The only thing is that I find that the shades are definitely more on the warm side. So if you prefer more of a, cool tone contour, that palette is not gonna be for you. But I like to use it on days that I want to look extra bronzy, on days that I actually don't want to necessarily go for like a harsh contour per se, more of a something bronzy going on. That's why I like it. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palette. This one right here, I've been obsessed with this ever since I got it on one of my BoxyCharms boxes. So that's what we're using today, my friends. See that? Yes, baby, yes, yes, yes. Work. On my eyes, I'm gonna be using the BoxyCharms New Palette in collaboration with Pure. I mean, and I'm using the same brush for everything. Why? Because I just don't have time right now. I'm running late, so I have to hurry. And I'm using that same peachy shade I used on my crease, my lower lash line. I don't want anything too harsh, too intense, or none of that. Light my inner corners a little bit. Let's just face it, a lot. Gotta do some lashes. I'm gonna be using the Real Charm lashes in the style Orchid. They are beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so now that we have our lashes on, last thing is lips and setting spray. For my lips, I'm gonna be using this combo right here, the Kathleen Lights Taurus lip liner. I'm always mispronouncing that. The lip gloss is the Alosari ColourPop Ultra Glossy in Curvy. Yep. And my lipstick is the Desi and Katie More Creamer Please.